Welcome to Talent and Skills Hub. Talent and Skills Hub is an enabling environment that supports people in the development of their talents, skills, and actualization of personal passions and ambitions. We believe that every individual is born with skills, talents, and affinities, and that when nurtured with supportive tools and motivations in an optimal environment, these capabilities can be developed to achieve excellence and create further opportunities. We create an environment that enables individuals to explore relevant and life-changing opportunities that suit their passions and interests. We promote lifelong learning as a strong tool for unlocking potentials and enabling human capital and economic development. With Talent and Skills Hub, you can learn to sharpen through relevant contents and learning programs. Also, you can display your talents, skills, and expertise to connect with the people that matters for maximum impact. Therefore, click the subscribe button now to learn and receive updates on easy-to-understand contents in the areas of public speaking, entrepreneurship, marketing and e-commerce, employability skills, academic and study skills, personal development techniques, general management skills, and etc. We publish new videos every Monday and/or Tuesday, with other programs that will help you to achieve your ambitions. You can also visit our website at tshub.com.